Now, I'm not usually one to get excited about interiors. As long as the seat doesn't bite me back and the dashboard doesn't fall off, I'm happy. You know, the basics. A seat that supports you and a dashboard that stays in place. But I have to admit, Audi knows how to craft a cabin. It's like they have a secret recipe for creating spaces that are both inviting and functional. They've managed to achieve that rare balance between luxury and functionality, without it feeling like you're sitting in a fussy drawing room. It's a space where you can feel both pampered and in control. Step inside an Audi, and you're greeted by a sense of understated elegance. It's not shouting for attention, but it certainly commands it. It's not about ostentatious displays of wealth like some other German brands, you know who you are. It's about quality, the kind of quality that speaks volumes without saying a word. Every material from the supple leather to the cool aluminum accents feels meticulously chosen, perfectly put together. It's as if each element has been handpicked to create a harmonious environment. The design is clean, minimalist even, with everything laid out in a logical, driver-focused manner. It's a place where form meets function in the most elegant way. It's like stepping into a well-tailored suit. Everything just feels right. The fit, the finish, the attention to detail, it's all there. You've got your comfortable, supportive seats, your intuitively placed controls, and a general sense that someone, somewhere, really gave a damn about making this interior a pleasant place to be. It's a space designed with the driver in mind, but it's not all about minimalism. There's a depth to the design that goes beyond just clean lines and simple forms. Audi hasn't shied away from embracing technology either. In fact, they've embraced it wholeheartedly. Their interiors are packed with it, but it's integrated seamlessly, almost invisibly, into the overall design. It's there when you need it, and it disappears when you don't. No clunky screens or buttons sticking out like a sore thumb here. Everything is smooth, sleek, and exactly where it should be. It's a testament to Audi's commitment to creating interiors that are as beautiful as they are functional. And let's not forget the ambient lighting. It's customizable, allowing you to set the mood just right. Whether you want a calming blue or a vibrant red, the choice is yours. The sound system is another highlight. Audi has partnered with some of the best in the business to ensure that your music sounds as good as it possibly can. It's like having a concert hall on wheels. And it's not just the front seats that get all the attention. The rear seats are just as comfortable, with plenty of legroom and thoughtful touches that make every journey a pleasure. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. There are plenty of storage solutions, from the glove box to the door pockets, all designed to keep your essentials within easy reach. It's this attention to detail, this commitment to craftsmanship, that sets Audi apart. Every stitch, every seam, every surface has been carefully considered to create an interior that is both beautiful and functional. In the end, it's about creating a space that feels harmonious, balanced, and just right. Audi has mastered the art of interior design, and it shows in every car they make.